If you're translating in your head when you speak Portuguese, I'm going to the store, and it comes out like, eu vou para. That's exactly why you feel slow. Let me show you what to do instead. Stop translating. Do this instead. The problem with translating is that most people think in English, then translate, then speak. And by the time you finish your sentence, the conversation is already gone. Let me begin by telling you that Portuguese is not English with different words. Instead, think in patterns. Instead of translating I am hungry, learn the pattern. Let's build step by step. I am means eu estou. Eu estou. But in Portuguese, you don't say I am hungry, you say I am with hunger. So you add com. Eu estou com. Eu estou means I am. Com means with. Eu estou com. I am with. Now let's say you want to say I am hungry. Hungry is fome. Fome. Which then leads you to eu estou com fome. Eu estou com fome. Now let's go over some more examples. I'm sleepy. In Portuguese, you would say I'm with sleepiness. So the translation would be eu estou com sono. Eu estou com sono. Let's do another one. I'm fearful. In Portuguese, you would say I'm with fear. Here's a translation. Eu estou com medo. Eu estou com medo. Again, you're using com because Portuguese treats these states like something you have. Now, Portuguese has two ways to express states. You don't use com when you are it. Here's an example. If you are happy, you would say, I am happy. Eu estou feliz. Eu estou feliz. Let's do another one. I am sad. Eu estou triste. Eu estou triste. Let's try another powerful pattern. I need, which would be eu preciso de. Eu preciso de. Let's try it in a sentence. I need to study. Eu preciso de estudar. Nope. Eu preciso de estudar. Let's do another one. I need help. Eu preciso de ajuda. Eu preciso de ajuda. Again here, ajuda means help. Let's do another one. I need time. Eu preciso de tempo. Eu preciso de tempo. Here, time is tempo. Let's go over another powerful pattern. This time, let's do I have to, which is very common. Eu tenho que. Eu tenho que. Let's try it in a sentence. I have to work. Eu tenho que trabalhar. Eu tenho que trabalhar. Let's do another one. I have to study. Eu tenho que estudar. Eu tenho que estudar. Let's do another one. I have to leave. Eu tenho que sair. Eu tenho que sair. All right, let's continue. This time, let's say, I'm going to. Eu vou. Eu vou, which is in the future tense. Let's do it in a sentence. I'm going to eat. Eu vou comer. Eu vou comer. Here, comer means to eat. Let's do another. I'm going to travel. Eu vou viajar. Eu vou viajar. Here, travel is viajar. Let's do another sentence. I'm going to call. Eu vou ligar. Eu vou ligar. All right, let's continue. This time, let's use I like. Eu gosto, but here you will need the word de. Eu gosto de. Eu gosto de. Let's use it in a sentence. I like coffee. Eu gosto de café. Eu gosto de café. I like to travel. Eu gosto de viajar. Eu gosto de viajar. I like to study. Eu gosto de estudar. Eu gosto de estudar. So remember, let's build sentences like Lego blocks. Eu estou com fome. Eu estou com fome. Eu preciso de ajuda. Eu preciso de ajuda. Eu tenho que trabalhar. Eu tenho que trabalhar. So let's just stop translating by memorizing full sentence. Instead, learn small patterns and build from them. So now it's your turn. Let's start with I am hungry. How would you say that in Portuguese? Remember, how would you say I am? Eu estou com. How would you say hungry? Eu estou com fome. Eu estou com fome. I need help. Remember, how do you say I need? Eu preciso de ajuda. Eu preciso de ajuda. I have to work. Eu tenho que trabalhar. Eu tenho que trabalhar. I'm going to eat. How do you say I'm going? Eu vou comer. Eu vou comer. I like coffee. How do you say I like? And don't forget the word de. Eu gosto de café. Eu gosto de café. And remember, stop translating and start thinking in Portuguese. Follow for more tips to speak Portuguese with confidence. And remember, to learn more Portuguese phrases, watch this video right here. Bye. Adeus.